my friends, we are going to Aqualand or Wake Park. So today is super hot, which is good for going to a water park. So yeah, we're going to swim. So this looks fun. So let's go there. So my friends, we can only play 60 minutes by like 550. Yeah, I think 150,000. I think. Yeah. So this the surfboard is not doing about it, right? But we're just using that thing. It's like a cable car. But I pelampung. So fun. I'm just going to buy that get that life vest. Hot. So my friends, we are going to start that Aqualand Bali thingy. So about obstacle course, we are ready. Do this. Let's get it. Novotel right now, which looks like cool because Bangladesh says there is a pool inside the room, I think. So do you realize these things like it's like in the shape of Pac-Man? See that shape? It's Pac-Man. So and then I think this is how this seahorse grabs the water, even though it's just a statue. Just even there's a hose in their mouth, and then it sprays down. So where is the check-in? Okay, my friends, see you at the inside. The room. Okay, bye bye. So my friends, we are walking to the room, I think. We don't know why it looks like an apartment. So yeah, so where did Aqualand go? I think it's that way. My friends, we are at the e-car. Oh, what is this? This buggy. Oh, we arrived. What, Abby? Where are you? Oh my God, I'm so excited! Abby.
Take off your sandals.
Oh.
Here, your bedroom. Go open it.
Whoa.
No, your bedroom. Go.
Wow! Woo! And that's the backup. There's the backup. cliff, I think, to say it. So this is a real cactus. I'm so scared of cactuses. Oh my God. Okay, just go over here. There's another swimming pool. Right over there. We are at this beach. We want to swim, I think. Maybe just show our clothes or just eat first. And go to the swimming pool right there. And that beach thingy. So that looks fun. So yeah. So let's go. Motel, I think. So we're here with those waves.